Are you tired of messy kitchen counters and pantry shelves? Introducing the Sweejar Ceramic Kitchen Canisters, the perfect solution for your food storage needs. One of the key features of this product is the silicone ring. It ensures that the canister is airtight, keeping your contents fresh and dry. Make sure to look at the second picture carefully to install the silicone ring correctly. The canister also comes with a natural bamboo cover with a spherical knob, making it convenient for you to pick up the cover. Not only is this canister practical, but it is also beautiful. The unique ceramic material will make you fall in love with its design. The bamboo lid adds to its environmentally friendly appeal. Plus, the rubber ring creates that airtight seal, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. These ceramic storage jars have multiple uses. Whether you want to store biscuits, coffee, spices, candies, tea, oatmeal, or even dog snacks, these canisters are perfect for you. They make a great gift for your friends and family too. Rest assured, our Sweejar ceramic storage jar is made of food-grade ceramic material. It is non-toxic, lead-free, and highly durable. The ceramic portion of the canister is dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe, providing convenience and ease of use. Please note that products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. If you're purchasing from outside the US, be sure to check compatibility and consider using an adapter or converter for use in your destination. The Sweejar ceramic kitchen canisters have dimensions of 4.5 by 4.5 by 5.1 inches and weigh 1.65 pounds. Customers have rated it an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars, with 505 ratings. It is ranked highly in the kitchen and dining category, currently sitting at number 23,940 in the bestsellers rank. With a capacity of 28 fluid ounces, this canister is perfect for all your storage needs. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and disorganized pantries. Get your Sweejar ceramic kitchen canisters today and enjoy the beauty and practicality they bring to your kitchen.